Going to start the early grammar for the kids. After completing the pink series and the blue series, we are starting our early grammar lessons. Here, now I'm going to teach the kid nouns. What is a noun? It's the name of a person, place, or a thing. Okay. Now, there are so many animals over here. They are all farm animals, right? I've given the names written here. Can you read this out? What is this?
Dog.
Place it near the dog. Very good. Next one.
Duck.
Very good.
Pig.
Yes. Good.
Goat.
Very good.
Cat.
Okay. Now you know what's a noun. Now I will introduce you to adjectives. Adjectives means describing a noun. See, you know this is pig. How is the pig looking like? Anything you can say no. So that is adjective. So what is this? Plump means cat. Where can we place? Okay. What is this? Try reading it out.
Yeah. Pig. Fat.
Very good. Which do you think is fat? Good.
To catch iron.
Thin. Thin means lean. Opposite of fat. Okay. Anywhere you want.
B-I-G-E. Big.
Good.
Yes. Catch O-O-T.
Short.
Short.
You're already saying over there. Short. Good. Now I will introduce you to verbs. Verbs means action words. Now what are you doing? Standing. So stand. Okay, eating. That is eating. Eating, standing, whatever you are doing is actions. And that is called verbs. Now read this out.
G.
J.
J. U-M. P. Yes.
Jumps.
Jumps.
Which do you think will often jump? Very good.
W. A.
L.
L.
K.
K.
Yes.
Yes.
Walks.
Walks.
Good.
O. U. N. Yes.
What? R-U-N is this? Runs.
Yes. W. I. M. Yes.
What? Swims.
Swims.
Which will swim in these animals? Very good. The last one.
P. A. O. K. Yes.
Bugs.
Bugs.
Will the goat bark? Will the goat bark? Bark is the sound of a dog, right? So, all the animal will walk, but a goat definitely cannot bark. Okay. Now, print this up. Fat duck swims. Plump pig runs. Big dog barks. Thin goat walks. Short cat jumps. See, we have made a sentence, right? What else we can add to this? We can add article. A and the are articles. Okay. If you are sure about what you are speaking, you can use the. So if you are speaking about this cat, you know you are speaking about only this cat, not all the cats. So we can use the. Similarly for everything. Which goat you are speaking about? Only this goat, right? So place it here. It should come here. The thin goat walks. Here. The plump pig runs. We are speaking only about this pig. Place it here. The fat duck swims. Here, starting of the sentence. The big dog barks. Yes, you have made a sentence. Right? Adverb means describing a verb. What is a verb? Action words, right? In this, what is the action word? The plump pig runs. Which is the action word? Action? No. Is this an action? This is pig. No. Running is an action, right? Now, describing this running. how fast she runs, or is she running slowly, or is she not running that good? That is called adverb. Read this out. L
L
O
O
U
U
D
D
L
L
Y. Loudly.
loudly.
Where can you place this? Who will make loud sounds here? Somebody who is barking only will make loud sounds, right? Now read the sentence. The big dog barks loudly.
B O L
D
D
L
L
Y.
Y.
Boldly. Boldly means without any fear. Where can you place this? The plump pig runs boldly without any fear. Read this.
B O I S K L
Why?
Y.
Briskly.
Briskly.
Yes, you know the meaning of brisk. Not being lazy. Where can you place? Okay. How it spells? Briskly.
S W I S D L Y.
Swiftly. Making sudden movement. Where can you place? The thing goat walks swiftly. Okay.
L
E
E
A
A
yes.
S I L Y.
Easily.
Easily.
Very good. The short cat jumps. How? Very easy. Right? Yes. We have learned. What all we have learned? Nouns we have learned. Adjectives we have learned. What is this? Verbs we have learned. Adverbs we have learned. And articles we have learned. Okay. So prepositions. Okay. What is this?
Table.
What is this? Call it a plate. Okay. What is this? A ball.
Ball.
Now I'm going to place this ball here. Is the ball in between the plates? In between means between two. In between means between two. Okay. Okay. So in between comes here. If the ball is placed here, it is, where is the ball? In between means between two. There should be one here, one there, and if you are in the center, it is called in between. This is in the plate. Okay. Where is the ball? It is in the plate. If the ball is over here, where is the ball now?
On the table.
Very good. Have this. Read this out.
A B O V E.
Above.
Above.
Where is the ball?
Above.
Above the table. Not on the table. It is above the table. Okay.
Above the table.
Now I will place the ball here.
Under the
Very
table.
good. Now, where is the ball now?
Under the table.
No, it is not under the table. Under means directly under. It is lying next to the table. So how can you, what preposition you can use here? Next to.
Next to.
Yes, N-E-X-T-T-O, next to. So you learn prepositions, plural. See, suppose if you are taking cat, how many cats are here?
One.
Only one cat. So it is a cat. If there is more than one thing, it can be anything, 2, 3 or any number of things.
Cats.
Cats. You should add yes to it. Now read it out and place accordingly.
D-U-C-K-S. Ducks.
Tell me, is there only one duck or more than one duck?
More than.
So you are using yes, right? Okay.
G-O-A-D.
T, yes.
Yes. Goats.
Very good. Say it out. There are more than one goat. So I am using yes to it. Okay. Next one. D-O-G. Dog.
D-O-G. Dog.
How many dogs are here?
One.
That is why we are not using any yes. Okay. Next one.
P-I-G. Pig.
Very good. Place it there. Only one pig. So we are not using yes to the noun.
C-A-T. Cat.
Okay. Fine. What you have learned here? Singulars and plural. Something, right? Shall we play a game to check how much you have understood? Okay. This is called logical adjective. I will place noun and adjective. Adjective means describing the noun. Okay, I have placed some nouns over here. It is the name of certain things. Now, read this out.
B L L
B-L-U-E.
B-L-U-E.
What is it? Blue.
Blue.
Blue hat? Blue hat? No. Blue shirt?
No.
It can be, yes, right? But let's see if it fits any other things. Okay, so shirt is one option. Blue sun?
No.
Blue rabbit? Definitely not. Blue dog? No.
No.
Blue sky?
Yes.
The sky is always blue, so blue will fit here. Okay. C-L-E-A-N. Clean.
Clean.
Clean hat? It can be.
Yes.
It can be. We'll have this as an option. Okay. Clean shirt? Yes. Because we won't wear that dirty shirts, right? H-O?
T.
Hot hair. Hot hair. Hot rabbit.
No.
Hot dog.
Yes.
No, that is hot dog you will eat. This is not the dog. This is animal. Hot sun. The sun will always be hot, right?
B L-A-C-K. Black.
Black. What will be black here? Very good. What is that?
A.
Hair.
B-A-R-K-I-N-G.
What? B-A-R-K what? Bark.
Bark.
I-N-G? Barking.
Barking.
Which will bark here?
Dog.
Okay. You have played very beautifully and you have learned the grammar well. Thank you.